In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get Orange Hero Fragments fast in Last Z. So these are actually free methods that you can utilize. So as you can see right here, you can first head over and then open your Last Z. I have in here some Reddit thread about the best ways to get orange fragments. So for this, as you can see, the best way for that is Camilla's shop, where you can get the coins for killing boomers and zombies. So Camilla Shop will give you or have you obtain orange fragments for free in exchange for other in-game currencies. So as you can see, here are the highest ways to obtain orange fragments. You can max out the free ways such as Zaga Zombies, Glory Shop, Weekly Gifting, and the likes. And you can also purchase an orange frag hero if you want, but since it is a free method, I actually don't recommend you to do that since you want to be a free to player. So you can spend on daily sales or weekly deals as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you.